Hi, and welcome to this audio direct presentation for a job that we've just completed on this BMW X5. Now, there's something that we're going to start introducing to the market which basically no one else does or can do. So this particular vehicle, now we didn't get a chance to film it beforehand because it was it just came up to us. It was quite an urgent job, so unfortunately we never got a chance to film it prior to all the work that we've done on it. But this vehicle came, it's a US import. Now obviously with a US import vehicle you have got certain issues, one of them being radio. So what you'll find with the radio on US import cars is there's certain frequencies you cannot pick up. It has odd or even numbers. So for example, you'll have 98.3 or 98.5, but you won't have 98.4. Vice versa, you'll get 88.7 or 88.9. You won't have the even numbers that you require here in the Middle East to pick up. So that's the first thing we do, is we can correct the radio for you. Now with the radio, it can sometimes be a software that we use, a program, or it might be that we need to actually change the radio frequency module that comes with your vehicle. So that's the first thing. Second thing is the communication. Now I'm an Android user, so make of that what you will, but basically what we've done, we've got tons of photographs, so it might not be able to pick up because obviously I'm just filming on an Android, but basically we can put Apple CarPlay on this thing. So it won't list it as an option because obviously there's no iPhone connected to it, but you'll see from numerous photographs, and that gives you a host of things. I mean, even your WhatsApp messages are read out to you. So it really is an all singing, all dancing system that we can install. Now we will do a before and after on the next vehicle that comes to us, and we'll have an iPhone connected so that we can demo that for you. But this is obviously just to let you know some of the facilities, and one of the main things that we can do, which is absolutely beautiful, is the navigation. So I mean, this thing is just crazy. I mean, apart from the scale that it can go down to, you know, we are in Mall of the Emirates, just parked up before the client comes and picks up the vehicle. Sorry, we deliver the vehicle actually. We do a pick up and drop off service now for lots of our services and product installs. But this vehicle basically never had navigation, and in fact, I tell a lie, it had navigation, but of course for US, so completely pointless. So now what we've been able to do is drop the navigation native on the vehicle. So of course you have that, and this system now connects via either Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, and you've actually got the choice of using maps within the Apple CarPlay app as well, connected to your phone and data, so on and so forth. But the beautiful thing about this is, again, we've got tons of photographs, is all the scale and the buildings that you see, the detail that it goes into. I mean, that's the ski slope in Mall of Emirates. It's just so cool. I'm sorry, I'm very, very impressed with stuff like that. And of course, you know, you can change the scale, and there's just a host of things that we've been able to unlock on this vehicle. So we just really appreciate all the support and all the inquiries and all the good reviews and all the ever-growing in-car entertainment family. So we're now starting to do unlocking, and by the way, it's for a lot of vehicles going all the way up to the 2018 S-Class, the 2018 G-Wagon, and even, believe it or not, the brand new Bentley Bentayga. We are pretty much the only guys here in town that can actually unlock the Bentley Bentayga and have it in English and Arabic language, or Russian, local sat-nav software. So any issues, any queries, just give us a shout. Audio Direct. Thanks, buddy.